Hello heroes, sometimes it happens that you captured several photos, came home and realized that there were items on it that you don't like. Now I would like to show you the simplest way of removing items from a photo. Let's start. At first, duplicate layer. Press Ctrl+J for Windows users or Command+J for Mac users. It prevents us from altering the original. Go to lasso tool to make freehand selection and select the area that you would like to remove. You can hold Shift to expand or Alt to reduce the selected area. After that, go to Edit and click Fill, or use Shift plus F5 shortkey. Choose Content Aware and be sure that color adaptation is enabled. Then click OK. Item is removed successfully. If you don't like the results, you can use Ctrl+Z to cancel effect or just delete duplicated layer. Thanks for watching. Next time I'll show you other way of reducing items on a photo. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe How to GoPro for more great videos just like this one. Bye for now.